Agents can access and read information from your documents, your knowledge base, and other sources. To do this, we need to go to the Sources panel on the left menu. Here we can see several options. We can add a website, upload documents, or use sources from our connectors. To add a website, we click on this option, enter the URL, and Macha will index all the pages it finds. To add documents, we can upload certain file types, which are listed here, along with their file size limits. It is important to stay within these limits. We can also see sources that are added through our connectors. For example, we have Confluence, Google Workspace, and Zendesk Help Center connectors already added. If we look at Confluence and Google Workspace, both have live tags. This means that when an AI agent searches for a document from either of these connectors, it goes directly to Google Workspace or Confluence to get the most up-to-date version in real time. So, our Confluence and Google Workspace sources are always in sync. However, Zendesk Help Center does not have the live tag. This is because the Zendesk connector imports Help Center articles as they are at the time of import. For example, these articles were imported on April 8th. If we make a change to an article in the Zendesk Help Center, it will not automatically update in Macha. The fix is simple. We just need to click the Resync button, and the Zendesk Help Center will be brought up to date. Now let's look at how to add these sources to our agent. We will use our knowledge base helper as an example. We scroll down to the Data Sources section. As we can see, we have already attached a few sources. We have added Confluence, Zendesk Help Center, and Macha. We have two options here, All Documents and Select. All Documents means the agent will look at the query it is handling and then scan our data sources to figure out which document is most relevant to read. Some connector-based sources also require tools. Since Confluence is a live connector, it needs the LevGetPage tool. When we add a data source, these tools are automatically added, so we do not need to worry about matching the right tool to the right connector. Now, if we look at Confluence, we can see a selected tag. This means we have chosen specific articles for this agent to use. So instead of scanning all available documents, the agent will look at these specific documents every time it runs. We can review or update these documents by clicking Select Documents to see the current list. For each source, we can add a maximum of 3 documents. Adding more than that gives the agent too much information to process at once. If we want to add more data sources, we use the Add Source button, where we can choose from the other sources we have connected.